Hi, this is Regitze. Should you have 2 pixels installed on your Facebook ad account? Let me first explain what is a pixel. A pixel is a piece of code that Facebook provides, and you can install it on your website so that Facebook can track what the users, the people you're advertising to, what they're doing on your website. Are they purchasing? Are they becoming leads? Are they adding to cart if you have an e-commerce store? And that way they can track what people are doing and give you more of the same and optimize the ads based on that. So it's very important to have the pixel installed. But should you have 2 pixels? A lot of people, they want to have 2 pixels because they may have experienced that Facebook has banned their ad account previously. And therefore they don't want to be in that situation again. But the thing is, if you follow Facebook's policies, they may ban your ad wrongly, but you'll get it back within from a couple of hours to a couple of days. It's very unfortunate, of course, but as long as you don't break the policies, then you will get it back. And the thing is that your data that you collect on your pixel, it's not just stored on your pixel. There's also data being collected and stored on your ad account. So if you get your ad account banned, and even if you have a second pixel that you can use, then a lot of the data will be lost anyway, because it will be saved on the ad account that you won't get back. You only have the pixel that you had extra. And this, also, if you did break the policies, it doesn't make sense to run the same ad again, because you'll just get your ad banned again. So you have to make some changes so that it follows Facebook policies. Yeah, and I have a little note here. A lot of people also want to have 1 pixel per product, so that Facebook can optimize per product. But if your products are in the same niche, like if you're selling hats and shoes, that is under the same niche. It's under apparel, and Facebook can then figure that out, who to show your ad to. But if you have very unrelated products, like if you're a coach and you have your coaching offer, and you're also selling pet products or something like that, then it can make sense to have 2 pixels, but not just 2 pixels, also 2 ad accounts, because like I said, a lot of the data is also stored on the ad account. So you have to treat it like 2 businesses and have separate ad accounts and separate pixels if it's really unrelated products. And also, if you're in a niche that Facebook is very strict with, that could be health related or finance related, then they may ban your ad account left and right, and even when you didn't break the policies. But if you didn't break the policies, you'll get it back within a couple of hours to a couple of days. But of course, it's very annoying. And then it can be good to have an extra pixel so you can continue to run the ads if you're sure that you didn't break their policies. Hope it helps. Comment below if you have any questions, and if you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in Facebook and Instagram ads for coaches and consultants. So if you want to learn more about it, you can book a call with me or my team. There's a link in the description. Also, please join our free Facebook group, Successful Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs, link in the description. And yeah, please like, follow, and subscribe, share it with your friends, and click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. Take care, bye!